only
only
to let your smart. To
only
let
to
your
get your spot.
Amen.
Amen.
Marriage your tongue. I call on all persons here present to bear me witness that I take.
I still want to congratulate Moses Blaze and his wife because him who